Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install RAR or zip file packing and unpacking app on your TCL 30. So in order to do that, let's open our Google Play Store. Try searching for an app and write RAR like that. Hit the search button and now locate this app and press install. After installation process is complete, we can open the app. We'll need to grant it all file access. So select RAR and enable it right that. Now if we go back, we can use the app. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.